Oh no! Pig looks sad. Let's go see what's wrong. Y-Rider, highlight.
Okay, everyone, now listen up. We're going to surprise Dog at his house with the best birthday party ever.
Oh, a surprise party. I love it. But, how do we do it?
Huddle up. First of all, we can't...
T at
Hat!
Whoops! That's one fast letter O.
Oh, it's so nice when the purple puff petals close and my nose can unstuff.
I bet it's nice to be able to smell and taste your own cooking again.
Is it ever? I couldn't even...
آسف يا أسماك لكنه تنظيف ربيع.
سوف أسامحك. تراجعت عن كلامي.
I am too. I just finished putting on a fresh coat of sunblock. So now I'll be protected from the sun the whole time we play.
Hey, good thinking, Sid. So, are you ready to learn? Here comes. Ready? Ah!
Yay! I blocked it! I blocked it!
Good job, buddy.
Ladies, want to step aside?
I bet they came to kiss us goodbye.
I gotta find a way to break her spell over Otis.
Otis? Don't you mean all of them?